Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make... Mikey wants to make some too, huh? Today I'm going to show you how to make tasty vegan unicorn balls. Mikey's very happy about this. You want some unicorn balls? Yeah. Okay, to make the unicorn balls you're going to need some nuts, fruit and oats and some other bits. So here I've got Brazil nuts, cashew nuts, almonds, walnuts, raisins, papaya, banana, protein powder, oats, flaxseed and coconut. So I'm going to mix the dry ingredients and then add some apple puree, which is made with apples, mixed spice, cinnamon and date syrup. First job, we're going to cook some apples. These are fresh from the freezer. Here we have millions and millions of apple trees along every single road. So every year I can collect literally as many apples as I like and store them up for the entire year. This is actually from last year's apples. Like literally infinite apples, pears, cherries, plums. Okay, so when you cook the apples, add some date syrup. Some mixed spice. Loads of mixed spice. All of it. Yeah. And some cinnamon. Okay. Give it a mix. It's a little bit lumpy, so give it a little bit of a mash with a potato masher. Be careful because it's very, very dangerous. Burn yourself. Okay, there we go. So now this is the liquid goo that's going to stick the balls together. Okay, there we go. And now that's ready. Okay, so let's go on to the mixing part. So first of all, we're going to chop up the nuts. You can use as many nuts or as few nuts as you like. Change the nuts, it doesn't matter. So almonds. If you're allergic to nuts, you don't need to use nuts. Okay, and let's put the bananas in there too. Chop them up. Okay. So let's just give these a little blast on the chopper. Enough. So add the chopped nuts and banana, add some raisins, add some papaya cubes, gonna add a little bit of protein powder. You don't have to add protein powder, it's optional. Just a little bit. And a little bit of flaxseed, a little bit of glue, stick it all together. And now some oats. whack a load of oats in. Never going to measure anything for this. Just go by how it feels. So first mix all your dry ingredients together. Keep these for later. Okay, the dry ingredients mixed up a little bit. Now I'm going to add the apple puree. Oh, it smells amazing. The mixed spice, cinnamon and apple smell is awesome. Okay, now the mix, the apples are still hot, so I'm going to use a spoon. And just keep mixing it until it's nice and even, and make a mess everywhere. Just throw food all over the place. There we go, it's looking good now. It'll get messy in a minute, it might be too hot. And there you go, so now it's mixed together. It's hot? It's okay. Okay, now we're going to make some balls. I get a baking tray with some parchment paper. Mikey's happy. You want some unicorn balls, Mikey? Okay, so now you want to grab your balls, you can massage them a little bit. You can make your balls as big or as small as you like. There you go, just roll the balls between your fingers and palms, make it nice and round. There's one. Just squeeze your balls nicely. There we go, looking good. You can make different shapes if you don't like balls. You can make them into bars or a whole cake if you like. You can't eat these, boy. They've got raisins in them. I'll make a special one for you. Okay? So just gently squeeze your balls into shape. Looking good. See how many we're going to get, maybe 10. These are good for Christmas parties. When you see the finished result, you'll see. Just stroke your balls and get them smooth. How many more? You're gonna get 10. That's not bad. Okay. Last two. Might as well lick the bowl. You're allowed to lick the bowl, you can't eat the raisins. Okay? Is that a deal? eyes just fixated. Tracking system. You can't eat it now, it's not cooked yet. You have to wait. Okay, last one. Quite a big one. Nice big ball. Squishy. As you can see from most of my videos, I get quite messy. I like squishing things in my hands. It's fun. Okay, last ball done. Got a bit of stuff in there. Okay, so now I'm going to bake these in the oven for, I don't know, however long, however long it takes to look like they're cooked. I never really measure at times or temperatures. I just throw it in a random temperature until they look cooked. So, I'm going to cook the balls and be back for the next part in a minute. Well, in about 15 minutes, I guess, roughly, if you want the timing. And I have no idea what temperature, maybe 200 Celsius? No, 180 is probably good enough. I've got no idea. I'm not a chef, I'm a random crazy person on YouTube. Okay, so they're out of the oven, nice and brown and crispy, and they've been put in the fridge for a little while just to chill them off a little bit. And now I'm going to roll them in melted chocolate. This is just melted Bourneville dark chocolate. You just roll your balls around in the chocolate till they're completely covered. And then put it back. Messy one. They're definitely not for dogs. Sorry, monkey, you can't eat this one. Maybe didn't make enough chocolate. He's very excited, but he's not allowed to eat any of these. It's all poison for you, boy. It's got raisins, it's got chocolate, it's got everything that's bad for doggies. So if you want some, I have to make you a special one just for you. Okay, running out of chocolate. No. I've got 2 balls left and no more chocolate. Maybe just about. Let's have a go. And one more. It's going to be close. It's going to be close. Just roll your balls all around in the chocolate. Get it completely covered. Close enough. Oh. Okay. So now we're going to get some different sprinkles. Go on top. Rainbow ones, pink ones, and finally some put that in the fridge to chill the chocolate. There's my little mini me with his unicorn balls, or looks like unicorn poop, but they say unicorns poop rainbows. Well, he poops fruit nut chocolate balls. So let's cut one of these open and show you what the inside's like. Let's go for the big one in the middle. This bit. Cut these things open. You can't have this one, sorry. See inside. Maybe over here, it's better. Yeah, the inside with nuts and fruit and oats and apples and cinnamon and mixed spice and a few other bits and pieces, covered in dark chocolate and sprinkles. What a snack.